What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Stripe API and webhook keys. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website of Stripe. Simply give it a click. After clicking, you will be redirected to this page of Stripe, where if you are new to Stripe, on the right side here, you will see the option of sign up. Simply sign up with your email and password. And if you already have an account, you will see the option of dashboard. After that, in both the cases, after login or signing in, you will be redirected to the dashboard of Stripe. After coming to the dashboard, on the left side at the bottom, you can see the developers option. Click on this and then click on API keys. Now, after coming to the API keys, you will see your own unique API key. As you can see, here is my secret key of my API key, and here is my publishable key for my API key. So I will just copy my secret key. As you can see, I selected and copied my secret key, and after copying, click on the developer section again, and this time go to the webhook section. Now, after clicking on webhooks, you can see the option of add destination. Click on this and then click on the connected accounts, and after that, you can select uh, the events that you want according to your requirements. And when you are done, let's say I want this checkout session expired, I'll just click on continue and then make sure that you have chosen the webhook endpoint. After that and only that, you will be able to connect your API and webhook. And now from here, you can enter the endpoint URL from whatever you want to connect to the webhook to, and then you can add the description. And here is the destination name. After that, when you are done adding your URL and description, you can simply click on create destination, and then you will create a Stripe API and webhook key. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.